Hello, I'm Jacqueline LaFlamme. I'm a professional artist with JacquelineLaFlamme.com. In this clip, I'm going to talk about how to set up your acrylic painting workshop. You will need acrylic art supplies. You're going to want to start off and have an easel. An easel is where you're going to have your canvas when you sit and paint. From here, you're going to want to have a little workstation. I like to have my workstation semi-organized, so I have all my different acrylic paints, and I like to have different brands of acrylic paints in different colors. Then of course I have a little bucket where I like to keep all my paintbrushes nice and organized so I can see everything. I have a palette, and then I like to have a glass of water. As you can see, it's covered in paint, but that's a good sign. That means I'm working and getting things done. And then I like to have trays with all my acrylic paints organized so that I can see all the colors. Other things you can have in your workshop are really important to have a nice big sketch pad, because you're going to want to do a lot of sketches prior to starting your acrylic paintings. And in order to sketch with, I love to have a nice variety of markers and pencils, and I like to keep these things separate and organized, so I have little containers for each different set of supplies that I have. If I don't feel like painting on canvas, and sometimes I want to get into the mood to do other things, I like to also have like little wooden boxes or picture frames or different things on hand that I can paint on, so that I'm not always just painting on canvas. So whenever you're getting ready to start a project, just try to think about laying out all the supplies that you're going to need to complete that project in a nice orderly system that's going to work for you. This is Jacqueline LaFlamme. Thank you for watching.